Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download OneTrust consent UI templates for GDPR style UX, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download OneTrust consent UI templates for GDPR style UX, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the OneTrust website. In the top menu, find and click on the Products section. From the drop-down menu, select Consent Management. Scroll down to locate the section for Templates. Click on. You will see various consent UI templates for GDPR compliance. Browse through the templates and choose one that fits your needs. Once you've selected a template, click on it for more details. On the template page, look for a download button. Click the download button to start the process. You may need to log into your OneTrust account if prompted. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Fill out the required registration fields. Once your account is set up, sign in to continue. Go back to the template page and reinitiate the download. After the download is complete, open the file on your device. Review the contents of the downloaded file. You can now customize the template as needed for your project. Ensure you follow the guidelines for GDPR compliance while making changes. Finally, implement the consent UI template on your website according to your specifications. You have successfully downloaded and prepared your OneTrust consent UI template for GDPR compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.